Hello, Dia.
Hey Olivia, I just wanted to say this meeting is not yet there on our WGMIT channel on Teams.
Yeah, I removed it from there because it the chat section won't be open to.
I mean, should I like do we need to post it on?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. If my voice is audible,
Can you hear me? Sorry, I had to switch between my networks.
okay. Just let me know if my face and camera is my voice and camera is
Yeah,
working fine.
yeah, it is. Well, I think we have folks joining in already. Well, I would just quickly drop the link on our WGMIT channel on Teams, basically, but I remove that from the Teams channel because not everyone has access to Teams, right? And
Yeah,
then it would to our Teams channel, and then they won't be able to like chat on the comment
mm,
section. Yeah,
right, fine, cool.
yeah.
I've
So
also
sorry, you're saying?
no, please go ahead.
Oh, I wanted to recognize someone that just joined in. We have T Perry. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. Thank you for joining in, Ellie. Yep.
Sabia, hi.
Hi. Okay, I don't know if she's still on the call.
If you would like to speak something or say hi, you can do that. Meta Sabia, maybe we can chat if you want.
Yeah. Oh, she said, hello, I'm having trouble with connection. Okay, it's fine. Nice to meet you. Thank you for joining in early. Yeah. So we'll be starting in a bit while we have other folks joining. We're supposed to start in the next 9 minutes. Guys are exactly 5 p.m. West African time. Yeah. Okay. I just dropped the link on the um Teams channel. So yeah. Let's just wait for others to join in. Yeah. Oh, I think we have folks joining in already.
My bad. I was speaking. Hello.
Hello, Fads. Yeah, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it properly. Yeah. Well, if I'm not, please correct me. I'm from Nigeria. I'm not so conversant with all these names. Yeah. So thank you for joining in. Yeah.
Hello, how are you? I'm Fadzai. The pronunciation is correct, though.
Oh, see, I'm getting good at pronouncing foreign names now. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to
Thanks for
meet
joining.
you too.
Yeah. We'll be starting like in 7 minutes. Yeah, that's when the onboard is officially supposed to start. So yeah.
We have Valentina as well in the meeting.
Oh, hello, Valentina. Well, Valentina is also one of the leads, so yeah.
Yes, hello girls. Hello everyone.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello to everyone that has joined in so far again. So for the folks just joining in, we are waiting for 5 p.m. West African time. That's in the next 4 minutes to kick off, basically. So that's the official time the section is meant to begin. Yeah. So I think I'm already sharing my screen. Yeah. Dia, please confirm if you could hear me audibly and my screen is sharing properly. Okay.
Yeah, your screen and whatever you are presenting is perfectly visible and you're perfectly audible as well.
Okay. Yeah, so in the next 3 minutes, we'll be starting officially. Yeah. Okay, so it's officially 5 p.m. West African time, and I guess we'll be starting now. Yeah. So, okay, yeah, the section is recording. I believe we have everyone, not everyone, but yeah, quite a number of us. I think we have 20 persons on the call already, and yeah, so we'll be kicking off. So, hello everyone, I am Olivia Oputa. I have been the one writing on the group chat basically, and now you finally get to see me. Well, I am from Nigeria and I am a good MLSA, that's a Gold Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. And I also happen to be one of the leads for the Women and Gender Minorities in Tech community for the MLSA program. Yeah, and on this call, I have other leads like Dia, Valentina, and Eleonora. So within the section, you get to meet them and then they get to like introduce themselves basically. Yeah. So in this onboarding section, we'll be talking about the program overview, support system, walk through the bootcamp calendar, and you have the opportunity to like ask your questions basically. So to commence, we'll be having our opening remark by Dia. Yeah.
Hello everyone. Just let me know if you can hear my voice properly. Olivia, can you give me a quick heads up if my voice is audible?
Yeah, I can hear you properly. Yeah.
Cool. So much excitement. 23 people has already joined us. So first of all, welcome to the WGMIT AI Bootcamp. Congratulations to all of you to making till now and to join us for this AI Bootcamp. So I just wanted to know, first of all, how many of you are excited about this boot camp? And if you are excited, you can maybe do something on chat. Maybe you can put thumbs up or do some reactions. So I'm just waiting and I'm looking in the chats as well. Just wanted to say hi to everyone. Amazing, amazing. So you guys can do start conversation in the chats as well. I would love to interact with you. We will absolutely want to interact with you all and want this session to be interactive as much as possible. So make sure you are involved in the community and communicating in the chats as well. So this is the good opportunity for you all. We will going to explore AI technology and deep dive into the AI, Azure AI throughout this whole month, September. And we have joined amazing speakers and we have buckled up with all the amazing sessions for you all. So kudos to you all and hope you guys will learn something in the session in this whole boot camp, and we will also learn together with you all. In this session today, we will going to cover up few more good amazing things about speakers and the sessions which we have for you, and about the MLSA program, which we will going to tell you in upcoming slides. So moving ahead, can we go to the next slide, please? I would like to introduce you to the bootcamp support. So if you feel and if you're stuck anywhere, if you need any sort of help, if you need any sort of support during the bootcamp, you can reach out to us. Who are us? We are WGMIT, Women and Gender Minorities in Tech Lead, and we are all MLSAs, Microsoft Learn Student Ambassadors. So one by one, we will going to say hi to you all, and I would really prefer you guys to say hi in the chat section to all the leads. So first one is me, Dia Vijay. You can anytime reach out to me on LinkedIn or maybe WhatsApp. We all are on WhatsApp group, right? So you can get the number on WhatsApp, right? And you can, if you face any problem, you can reach out to any of these leads, to me, and there is LinkedIn as well, and yeah, through email as well. Next, we have Olivia with us. You have heard about Olivia already. I would like Olivia to take it and introduce herself.
Okay, hello everyone. I mean, you guys already met me. I started the section, and I have been the one, writing on the WhatsApp group chat, basically. It's nice to have you all here. Like Dia said, if you need any support, you can come to us. You don't need to reach out to your facilitator. Just come to us first of all, basically. Yeah. Yeah, and congratulations. So moving on, Valentina.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to this amazing bootcamp that we prepare. So my name is Valentina Lazaro. I'm part of the leads of the Women and Gender Minorities in Tech community. And you can contact me through WhatsApp or LinkedIn channel. So you can ask me some questions about the program if you have someone. So let's continue with Eleonora.
Hello, my name is. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible, Laura.
Okay. My name is Eleonora Matalanga. I am one of the WGMIT leads. We are glad to have you here, and you're looking forward to learn from the speakers. And I hope you get to upskill and learn a few things in this bootcamp. Thank you.
Amazing. So now you all know all the leads here and all the bootcamp support here. So if you face any sort of problem, you can anytime reach out to us. And now I would just you guys again, maybe I'm repeating this question, but how many of you are experienced or have already tried AI technology or Azure AI or any kind of AI till now? I'm just watching the comment section for this. Akshita, yeah, you have tried AI. Okay, we have bunch of hands up. Ashwin, Anush, Tola. I'm not sure. I'm very bad at pronouncing. You guys have already put your hands up.
Fiola.
That's good.
Yeah. We have quite a number of hands
Okay.
up, basically.
Yeah. Maybe hands up, or maybe you can chat and say hi, or maybe say yes in the chats as well. I would like to see. Or maybe you guys have already tried using ChatGPT. It is one of the amazing AI which we all use on daily basis. I also do use ChatGPT. How many of you do use ChatGPT on the daily basis?
Yeah, I use ChatGPT. I use GitHub Copilot. So let's say I use a lot of AI. Yeah.
Yes, we all are already using AI and making boom, right? So it is one
Yeah.
of the essential, I think, skills to learn about. So now we have Olivia who will take you towards the next slides and give you overview about the bootcamp. So over to you, Olivia.
Okay, yeah, thank you so much, Dia, for welcoming our wonderful participants. So before I actually start talking about like the bootcamp expectations and overview, I just noticed someone, one of our facilitators and also a cloud advocate at Microsoft. We have Bruno Capuano. I don't know if he's free to come up to just say one or two things. Yeah, so he's actually going to be hosting a section um on Copilot, basically Copilot Studio. Yeah. So I don't know if I can see him in the meeting. I don't know if he can like unmute his mic and say one or two things, basically. But we're nice, Bruno. Okay. I guess maybe he's occupied. Okay, so we'll just move on and probably towards the ending, we probably have him come on board again, basically. Yeah. So also if you have any questions, please reserve them for after the presentation. There'll be a time for Q&A, and if you feel like you would forget your questions, you can just put them in the chat basically, and we would attend to them when it's time for the Q&A section. So moving on, I'll be talking about the program overview. Yeah. So first of all, the bootcamp is basically a women's program starting today, the 6th of September, and ends on the 30th of September. Yeah. There will be the bootcamp comprises of 10 sections in total on different Azure AI services and topics ranging from an intro section on Azure and Azure AI to using AI Studio, Azure AI Studio and Copilot Studio. So participants are also expected to share their experience on social media, on LinkedIn, on Twitter, any social media platform you feel comfortable sharing, basically. But obviously, LinkedIn is more preferred, and Twitter. Do well to tag us, any of the leads as well, and also the facilitators. So you could make the experience sharing feel like a weekly challenge for yourself, where you have talking about your experience every week for that section during the bootcamp. Yeah. So note that this would help us know how active you are, basically. So if you are posting, it would let us leads know, okay, this person is actually active, basically, in the program, and it will actually aid you getting your certificate of completion, which I'm talking about later on, basically. And also, every participant is encouraged to write an article, basically. So as a participant for this bootcamp, we are encouraged to write articles basically on any section, any topic sections, right? And also top-notch articles. I'll use the word top-notch. Terrific articles can get a chance to be spotlighted on my MS blog, basically. Yeah. And also the last part is getting your certificate of completion. So I know for you to get like your certificate of completion, you need to be an active participant. And I know you guys will be wondering what are the criteria for being an active participant. The very first one is you're posting your experience on social media and you're tagging us so we can see it. And also we have a WhatsApp group chat, so you could always share your links to your posts there. Second of all is class attendance. We are looking at class attendance, so you have to join in every section, basically. And last but not least is the article writing. So we're looking at people who just don't want to gain value, but also give value from what they've gained, basically. Yeah, so those are the criteria we're using to determine if you're active or not. And also participants are advised to join the sections on time. So if you're 15 minutes late, if you join in 15 minutes after the section, you are late, basically. So you're advised to join in 15 minutes, at most 15 minutes into the section, basically. Yeah. So moving on, I'm talking about the program requirements. Yeah. So first thing, you obviously need to get your Azure account, because this is a bootcamp and it's meant to be hands-on. Yeah. So whatever your facilitator is teaching you, you are meant to practice them. You're meant to basically get hands-on. Yeah. So if you don't have like an Azure account, you could create a free one. Or if you're a student and you're like an ambassador, you could activate your Azure benefits. And also, if you are not an ambassador but you are a student, you could equally use the GitHub student developers package, basically. Second of all, you need cloud computing concept. This is not exactly so essential, but it would be nice to have, right? Because obviously Azure AI services are on clouds, you get. Yeah. So although we'll be having like a section on intro to Azure and Azure AI services, so if you don't have an idea of what Azure is, you don't exactly need to be worried. Yeah. And obviously last, you need like a laptop and great internet connection. So moving to meeting our facilitators, and this session will be handled by Valentina. But before that, I can see Jasmine on the call and Bruno. But I don't know, Jasmine, can you come up to say one or two things to the participants for this program? Yeah.
Hi. Thanks, Aputa. Hi, yeah. Hi, everybody. I'm Jasmine Greenaway. I am a cloud advocate on the data team, but obviously AI is a big part of data. So I am super passionate to learn with you all. You are in the right place at the right time. So thank you for being here, and I'm excited to learn along with you.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Jasmine. Yeah, thank you for being on the call. Moving on, we also have Bruno on the call. I don't know if he's available as well to say one or two things. Yeah. Okay, so Bruno is still not available. Yeah. So moving on, I don't know, Valentina, can you like take over? Yeah.
Yes, thank you, Olivia. Hi, everyone. Welcome again to this amazing bootcamp. So let me introduce our amazing facilitators of the sessions. They are going to teach us about Azure and Azure AI. I'm sorry if I cannot pronounce very well some of the names, but let me introduce the calendar of the bootcamp. So we are starting on September 7th with the introduction to Azure and Azure AI services with Perma Mittal. Then we move to September 12th with introduction to Azure AI Studio with Carlota Castelluccio. Then on September 13th, we have the overview of Copilot Studio with capabilities and features with Bruno Capuano. On September 14th, we will have the Generative AI with Azure AI Studio session with Bethany Japtumba. And on September 15th, we are moving to the Machine Learning Basics with Azure Machine Learning and with Chungwadus Akanulo. And on September 20, we have Building and Deploying AI Models in Azure with Mandy Ben Harris. Then we are continue on September 21 with Natural Language Processing with Azure AI with Andrea Laruta. And on September 22, we have Computer Vision with Azure by Harsh Bandang Bajoria. And on September 27, we have Let's Use Azure Vision AI Solution with .NET with Minji Park. And on September 28, we have Ethics and Responsible AI in Azure with Julia Moroni. And our last session will be the offboarding on September 29. We will be so happy to have you there, guys. So we will continue with MLSAA program with Eleonora. Are you there?
Yes, I am. Hello, everyone. I'm Eleonora. I'm going to take you through how you can join the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador Program and some of the benefits of becoming an ambassador. So let me share my screen. So I would highly advise everyone who's in this call to apply to become an ambassador. It's a really great opportunity. You get to meet with Microsoft employees, those are MVPs, cloud advocates. You also get to meet your fellow ambassadors from different countries. You get to network and share knowledge. Okay, so I'm having a bit of trouble with my internet, but I'll show you how to apply. So on your browser, you just go and search Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, and then you click on the first link that appears on your browser, and you'll be taken to the Microsoft Learn website. There you can click where it says become an ambassador or become a member. Then you'll be taken to this registration form. So for the registration process, there are 4 registration processes. You have to read through the program agreements and terms and conditions. Then make sure you click that you agree and continue after you have read through. And then next, you have your personal information here. Basically, there you'll fill in your name, your contact email, date of birth, gender, and country of origin. You're also required to fill in the programming languages that you prefer. Next, you'll be asked about your social network, that is any social media platform that you're on. Preferably, I'd advise you to put your GitHub or your GitHub link and your LinkedIn. But if you share content on YouTube, Twitter, you can also put let's remove this first. Okay, so next Next, you have academic institution. Okay, so for you to become an ambassador, you're required to be registered in an academic institution, either your bachelor's degrees or your master's degree. So here, basically, you fill in the information about your university, the one you're enrolled in. Yes. Next, you're required to add additional information, which is the technologies you're interested in and your Microsoft LAN profile. So it is a requirement while applying to become an ambassador for you to have a Microsoft LAN profile. So if you currently don't have a Microsoft LAN, okay, let me explain. Microsoft LAN is a platform like Coursera, where you get to upskill your knowledge and learn various technical skills. So currently, if you don't have a Microsoft LAN profile, you go on your browser, search Microsoft LAN, and create a profile. And then you just come here, you copy and paste the link, and you copy and paste the link there. So, and with that, I think you'll be done. So you just review your registration and make sure everything is in order and you submit. Okay, so after you have registered for the program, you'll receive an email that you'll receive an email where you'll be given a link to the Discord channel, the MLSA Discord channel. On the Discord channel, you're required to complete various Microsoft LAN pathways. And if you complete all the Microsoft LAN pathways and everything that is needed of you, you will be enrolled in the program. Yes. And once you're enrolled in the program, you will enter as a beginner. And as a beginner, you'll be required to go through the onboarding process. After you complete your onboarding, you move to Alpha. In Alpha, you receive various benefits like Azure credits, that is 150 credits per month. You receive LinkedIn Premium. Yes, you have to activate your LinkedIn Premium and very many other benefits. From Alpha, you're required to host an event to progress to Beta. Yes, when you're in Beta, you can now apply to become a Gold Ambassador, which has a lot of great benefits. Yes, I think that is all from my side.
Okay, so yeah, thank you so much, Eleonora.
Sorry to interrupt. I'm just curious to know how many MLSAs are here. How many of you are MLSAs? Just okay.
I hope you could see my physical yeah.
Yeah. I'm just curious. I just got to know, like, we are telling about the program, but would love to know how many MLS are here. Just yes. Amazing.
Jasmine said she's an MLSA in spirits. I agree. Yeah. So to the MLSAs, I know you guys are enjoying a lot of benefits, and if you can, please bring more folks, more of your folks, more of your friends, more of your guys, like we say in Nigeria, more of your guys to come join the MLSA program. It's beneficial, right? So yeah, we would. I think Eleonora, please could you share the link, the registration link, in the chat so that we could have non-MLSAs register as well, basically. And also, if you need any help with, trying to become an MLSA, right? You could always reach out on the group chats, on the WhatsApp group chats. Basically, we can help you. I mean, I am a gold ambassador, Dia is a gold ambassador, so, and Eleonora and Valentina, I think they're both better ambassadors, so you have great support. Yeah. So moving on, yeah, the Q&A section. So we're beginning to round up this onboarding call. Like I said earlier, the onboarding call is not going to be something long, it's just to give you guys a brief overview of the program and what to expect, what we also expect from you, how they can determine how you are active in the program basically. Yeah. So please do ensure you ask your questions. If you feel so shy to raise up your virtual arm, right, to pick up the mic and ask your questions, you could put them in the chat basically. Yeah. Okay, so Valentina sent the link. Yeah. So please do well to apply for non-MLSA. Meanwhile, we can start the Q&A section. I'm expecting people to ask questions. I don't know if there's anything you're not clear about. Please do ask them. So I'm trying to go through the chat to see if we had any questions for now. Okay. Basically, I don't see any questions. Yeah. So is there anyone, if you have questions, feel free to raise up your virtual arm to ask your questions. Like I said, this section is not meant to take a long while. Yeah.
Okay, there's a little bit of noise in the microphone by Olivia, I guess, but if you guys didn't hear very well, you can put your questions on the chat box, then we can read it. Amazing. I guess that we don't have any question yet. Oh, here's one. Here says, hi, are video submissions required when applying for MLSA? Eleonora or Dija, can you help that?
Oh, yes, I can answer the question. So, no, they removed the application process for the essays and the videos. So currently, you just register and then you go to the Discord channel where you complete the Microsoft Learn pathways. So no, there's no video submission or essay writing.
Amazing. We have another question by Metasepia, and he says, do we have projects for the bootcamp? Olivia, maybe you can help us with that.
All right. So with regards to projects, there aren't going to be like an assignment or like an actual project for the bootcamp, but you are expected to write like articles. So you could work on a project and write a tutorial, an article tutorial on how you do that, basically. Instead of just writing an article about a particular service or about, let's say, for instance, Azure AI Studio, you could talk about something you did for Azure AI Studio. So you can see it's more like the project and writing.
Okay, thank you, Olivia. And we have another questions about MLSA, and here it says, are there timelines to apply for MLSA or does it run all through the year? Okay, Dija already answered that. Applications are open through the year on the website. And we have another question. Do we have to have a LinkedIn premium before we can register? Well, in this case, I think I can answer that. It's not necessary. You can register even if you don't have a LinkedIn account. That is optional for the registration. Okay. So I guess that we already read all the questions.
Sorry to interrupt. One more thing. The applications are open throughout the year, but quarterly we used to shortlist the students. The results will be out for on the quarterly basis. So you just apply and wait wait for a while, and once that period will over, you will get your results out. Hope that helps. Yeah, all good.
Okay, we have more questions, and here says, is there a specific criteria according to which you will take students? If yes, what are those? Of you could clarify. Thank you. Maybe one of you girls can help to answer this question. I guess I can take it. My experience, there's no criteria in this time because, as Eleonora says, they removed the application process and now it's a registration process, and you have to complete some pathways to be an ambassador in the future. And that information is in the Discord, but it's really easy, I guess. It's not really difficult. You have to, for example, reach a number of clicks in IDs that they are going to give you to share some information about Microsoft. That is one of the pathways, but you can follow another one. Okay. And here says another question, must be a student to apply? For the MLSA program, yes, you have to be a student, right, to apply for the program at that moment.
Yeah, I think you skipped one question, not exactly a question, more like a complaint. Someone said I applied for MLSA in 2024 February and I completed 32 training. After that, I received an email, and the email basically stated you marked your Microsoft Ambassador's registration as inactive. So yeah, so the program actually has no changes to being active. Yeah. So there are two, I think there are two forms of ways of being active. I know there's one that is community influencer or influencing, and I've forgotten the other one, which includes like you promoting the founders club and all that. Well, there's an article about that and I will share it here. I have to look for the article. I will share it on group chat. I don't find it now. So if you don't do those things, you'll be considered inactive. I hope that answers why you got that email, or I don't know if I need something out or Jasmine would like to add to that. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Olivia. And here says, Dija, maybe you can help us with this. This says, what is the program about? Can you brief it? What are you going to teach? About the bootcamp program, it's not really
Or MLS.
specified here.
About,
Or MLSA.
yeah.
It doesn't say.
If you want to know more about
Okay.
the bootcamp or MLS, I'm not sure what she's referring to. Bhagwan, Shruti, I'm not sure. So if you're referring to MLSA program, it is a student ambassador, students community, basically global community, where you will get to know a lot and you have a great opportunity to meet like-minded individuals and students from around the world who are creating impact. And I think you guys should have to know about the power of community and the benefits of being in the community. You will get support, and there are few bunch of things which if I will start talking about, will take a huge session. But I would say all you will get from MLSA program specifically is the community support, and you will get the chance to increase your connections and the opportunities, a lot more opportunities to learn and grow together. This is what we call it. This is what we have in MLSA program. And this is one of the initiative within the MLSA program, which is Women and Gender Minorities in Tech. So here we are trying to make this program as much as inclusive as possible. So yeah, this is one of the thing. And if you are referring to the AI bootcamp, this is the month-long boot camp where we are trying to help students and professionals to learn about AI technology. As you know, AI is booming these days and it is really important skill. So we are promoting Azure AI and helping you guys to learn from the experts, the speakers, whoever are joining us, right? They are experts in their domain. They have good knowledge about the domain which they are going to present about, and they are MVPs, most valuable profession of Microsoft. So you have a great chance to learn from them and increase your knowledge or increase your skills, enhance your skills in booming technology, which is very important and essential to have in your resume. So yeah, hopefully this helps. Bhagwan. If yes, just tell me. And if you need any sort of other clarification or if you need more information, you can anytime ping me on LinkedIn or WhatsApp.
Yes, totally. Thank you, Dija. I think that Dija already covered all of this. So maybe we can continue. Oh, here we have another question, the last one, I guess. Will we make use of a programming language for the bootcamp? Girls, what do you think?
Okay, so I don't know if my audio is way better. I tried working on it. So basically, I feel like some sections would probably make use of Python. It's based off the facilitators session. So the facilitators will determine what will happen in the section. For you do not need to know any programming language to be a part of this bootcamp. But I know one or two sections should make use of Python, and it's not going to be so difficult for you. Basically, it won't be like advanced. Yeah. Oh yeah, and also I think there's a C sharp section, a section of .NET, but it's more like you incorporating AI into like a .NET application. So you necessarily don't need to know .NET, that's C sharp. Yeah.
Great. Thank you, Olivia. And that's all, I guess. Here we have another question about how to apply to MLSA program, but you just can register in the link that we already put on the chat, but I will send it again. And I guess that those are all of the questions.
Okay, that's nice. So um, you
Thank you, Olivia. Okay, I can continue with that. And okay, I'm going to almost finish this onboarding part, I guess. Well, first, thank you all of you for joining us today on the onboarding call. We are incredibly excited to kick off this Azure AI Bootcamp with such a passionate group of learners. Over the next few weeks, we'll dive deep into the world of AI, exploring powerful tools like Azure AI, AI Studio, and many others that are shaping the future of technology. And remember, this is not just about learning new skills, it's about applying them to real world challenges and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. So, one more time, if you have any question about the bootcamp or you need support about the program, you can contact any of us, Dija, Olivia, Eleonora, or me, Valentina. You can contact us through WhatsApp or maybe in LinkedIn. So, I guess that's all for today. Maybe the girls want to share anything else.
oh yeah, we need a group picture. I don't know.
Yes, totally. We need a
Yeah, so
group picture.
Yeah.
we don't leave the call yet. I don't know. Dia, would you do the honors on it? So I will just stop sharing basically, and Dia, please. Yeah.
So
And if you guys,
everyone, yeah, let's just open our camera and just have a group picture together. This is our ritual, so we would love to have you with us in our group picture. So please, for just 2 minutes more for you guys to open your cameras, and then we will take a group picture together. Come on,
Yes, please.
fast.
Come on, guys. If you can turn on your cameras, please do it right now so we can take a beautiful picture of the students in this bootcamp and some of the facilitators too.
Yeah. I don't know, are we doing anything? I don't know, peace sign or something.
Thank you, Victor. Hello.
So, Dia, are you taking the pictures now so I know when to post properly?
Yeah, I'm trying to have everyone in a single frame, but everyone is not coming. It's like 3 slides. Can anyone help?
Yes.
Okay, I think we could use the together mode.
Yeah.
Okay, but
Yes,
let's
that
do
would be
that.
great.
Okay.
Amazing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Girls, be ready, everyone. I'm going to take a fabulous picture. So just 1, 2, and 3.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah. It's nice meeting everyone. Thank you so much, Jasmine, for joining in on the call. Really appreciate. Yeah.
One
I
large
hope
calorie.
you're
Yes.
doing great, Jasmine.
Yes, thank you for having me. I'm excited to see to be here and be here for the rest of the sessions as well.
Yeah. Thank you. So, to do so, bye. Basically, yeah.
Bye bye, all of you. All of you. Bye, guys.
Bye, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Girls.
Okay, so I'll be ending the call now and stop the recording so that we can have that to report. Yeah.